Good morning, my dear children. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. Have you all completed your homework? I hope you completed your homework. Let's begin the class. Now, we are learning about the digestive system. In that, we have already completed the topics organs of the digestive system and process of digestion. Right? What are the organs of the digestive system? Organs of the digestive system are mouth, tongue, food pipe, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Next, process of digestion. We learned the process of digestion using flowchart, right? Let's see the flowchart. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. The process of taking in the food is called ingestion. Next, the food travels to the stomach through the food pipe. From the stomach, it enters the small intestine and then passes into the large intestine. Solid and undigested waste from the food reaches the rectum from the large intestine. Finally, the food passes through the anus as feces. The process of passing out the solid waste from the body is called egestion. In the process of digestion, the food is broken down into smaller substances. The smaller substances and water are absorbed by the wall of the intestine. These are the topics we learned in previous class. Shall we start today's topic? Come on, let's start today's class. Can you tell me why does the food we eat look totally different when it is egested out of the body? You may say that the food that we eat travels through various processes in the digestive system. That's right. Let me say, we learn about process of digestion in previous class. In that, each organ in the digestive system has its own function, right? So, many things change the form of the food we eat as it passes through the digestive tract where our body takes the things it needs. In the process, each organ performs a special function. So, today our aim is to explain the functions of the organs in the digestive system. I hope you all are ready with the resources, that is, your content book, workbook and notebook. Today's topic is functions of organs in the digestive system. Keyword: saliva. The food that we eat is mixed with saliva. Saliva is a watery substance in the mouth. It helps to make the chewed food into a pulp that is easier to swallow. Before getting into the topic, let's see a small demonstration on digestion. Along this video, I have posted another video. Put this video in pause and watch the demonstration video. It shows the functions of each organ in the digestive system. In that video, only captions are available. There is no instructions. So, watch the demonstration video carefully. After watching that video, come back to this video. I hope you watched the video. Now tell me which materials were used as different organs of the digestive system. What happens in each organ? Some materials were used to represent the organs in the digestive system, right? What are the materials used? Yes, bowl used as mouth, scissor used as teeth, watering pipe used as food pipe, Okay, come on, let's brief the materials and functions of the digestive system. In the demonstration video, use the bowl as our mouth and scissor as incisors, short and flat bottomed cups as molars. Next, the bread and banana pieces represented the food broken into smaller pieces. The watering pipe was the food pipe through which the food reached the stomach. Next, the polythene bag was the stomach in which the food was mashed and turned into a paste. Also added vinegar that represented the acid in our stomach. The mixture then passed through a knee-height that showed the small and large intestine. From here, it squeezed out as feces. Next, what happens to food as it passes through the organs of the digestive system? What is the role of each organ in digesting the food we eat? Let me say, digestion begins in the mouth. The food is chewed by the teeth and broken down into smaller pieces in the mouth. Then saliva mixes with the food to make it moist and soft, so that the food is easier to swallow. Then the food pipe pushes the swallowed food to the stomach. The stomach muscles mix the food by squeezing and relaxing. In the stomach, food is mixed with some juices that help to break down the complex substances in the food. The stomach also has some strong juices that kill any germs in the food. Then the food travels into the small intestine where the body absorbs the extra water. After that, the solid waste that remains after the water absorption moves to the rectum. Finally, it is digested from the body through the anus. Next, bonus question of the day. Today's bonus question is, in the demonstration, which material was used as the stomach of the digestive system? Everyone watched the demonstration video, right? In that video, which material was used as the stomach of the digestive system? Next, thoughts question. Why does our body take food through the digestive process? How does it help humans to survive? What happens if there is no digestive process in our body? Yes, the food cannot be breaks down into smaller substances. So, the human digestive system breaks down food into a simpler form so that the body gets the nutrients it needs. It also removes the things that it does not need. Okay? Next, practice questions. First question is, what is the role of the small intestine in digestion? Next question, what is the role of the liver, gallbladder and pancreas in digestion? Read the topic carefully and answer the question in your notebook. Next, worksheet questions. In S3, first question is, what is digestion? Next question, write what happens to the food we eat in the following. Write what happens to the food we eat in the following organs: mouth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Next question, why is digestion important for us? Why is digestion important for us? Read today's topic carefully and answer the questions in your workbook. That's all for today. Don't forget to do the bonus question in your online exam section. Do the practice questions and HOTS question in your notebook. Do the worksheet question in your workbook. And read the next topic, digestion and healthy habits. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. Okay, thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. God bless you.